natin?
Out ng day tour.
So we're on our way to Camp Hayatus. Kasi kailangan lang namin tumawid doon sa sa ilog. Magtatawidan sila eh.
Magkamukha sila, no?
Magkakasama yan, boy. Ang bilis kasi magpatak.
Camp Hiatus in Kayabu, Tanay, Rizal is a serene, nature-focused campsite known for its riverside location, lush greenery, and accessible car camping. Located about 1.5 hours from Manila. Offering both open camping and A-frame cabins, it is ideal for relaxing, ATV riding, and river crossings, making it a popular spot for intimate weekend retreats.
Pero dito kasi napuno.
Daming nagka-camp,
Yun yung bonfire.
tent pitching.
Diyan na, yung sa river.
Nandito yung natin, awning natin. Or, lagi tayo madadaan.
Kami.
Sisihan muna.
Rain.
Bumili tayo
Kami.
ng ice cream.
I'll go.
I'm faster than you.
No, I'm faster than you.
No,
Oh, you're too fast. Come on, let's go. Let's buy some ice.
I'm so fast.
Say hi to the camera. Hi. Say welcome. You say welcome
Welcome
to
to
Camp Hayatus. Nah, that's not a sand. Those are dust. So ito yung place. Come on, you go to daddy, oh. There's a poso. Di ba you like that? You like to pump the, the poso? No, we're gonna buy some ice pa. Come here.
Eh, dala ka bang pera?
So, meron ditong tindahan.
That fish goes
A mini store. There's a
Huwag ka
monkey.
masyadong malapit.
Hindi tawagin.
Hindi nakatali siya.
Nakalimutan ako. Hindi ko naman muna yung dalawa kong phone.
May bird aviary pala, tapos light trail. Nadulas mo?
Ay, hindi sila sinambo. Ay, kagi ninawakan mo ako dito. Careful ah.
You saw that? It bounced.
River Rats. Campayatos pala kami, sabi ko River Ranch. Ba't ganon?
No. You guys wash your hands, please.
May ba't di makita yung background? Ayusin ko nga.
Yeah. Go.
Dito kami before, ay last time. Diyan. Sa River Ranch. Yan, diyan. Diyan kami nag-camp last time.
Right after you told us. One, look to the camera. Turo mo yung moon. Nasaan yung moon? Where's the moon? Yeah. Go.
Ganyan lang, kunya. Ay, naglalakad ako. Is that rain?
Nice.
Hinangin ka na. So, ito. Hindi, dito daw kayo.
Kasi ito yung carpet.
Tapos doon.
Ito yung...
Hindi, mamaya na. Pag nakaset na tayo. Alagay mo na dito sa table. Ano yan? Ano yan? Hindi na masarap yung price. SN up pa. Ang damag ah.
You build the car. Come here, I'll wipe your feet. Hi! That's bad, ah.
Kasi ito na yung magiging lock. Tomorrow na.
Palit kite natin.
Mapukpok mo yung kamay ko. Ay, daliri ko ah. Go.
But
The other, ano. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Very good. That's enough. Very good ah. So far, yan na. Ay, ingay ah. So ito yung setup namin. So dito ako. Ito yung sa kanila. There's the bed. Oh, see? Yun yung projector. Nilagay namin dun sa van. Set up. Wow!
Dada.
Kami. Ayun o. Nakaano po.
Okay, ito
Nood na tayo movie while eating.
actually dapat din na nakabukas to.
Parang maliit.
Okay lang naman.
Ilipat mo muna.
Paano to?
Pero hindi na.
Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
Picture muna tayo.
Exactly.
Hindi kita. Hindi naman. One. O, nood na. Kain na tayo. Ano yung ating menu? Menu? Kala mo naman nagluto.
Pizza. Eh, si Narian boy. Hmm?
Pizza. Kung nakikita nyo.
Gusto mo ba makita?
Oo. Yun o, pizza. Ay, magkaibang flavor.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni and
garlic.
with shrimp. Wow, garlic shrimp. Thank you. And this is my burger.
French chicken.
Chicken. Ito, fries na malamig. Yes, bonfire tayo.
Nasa CR pa. Basurahan.
Oh, yun na. Hey! So nice.
The next day.
Pumunta sila ng ano? I found you.
Ito yung stones. Like ito.
Where was it so? I know I'll still go there.
Okay. Wow. I'm
I-
gonna target that that stone.
Almost.
Almost. How about this? Wow.
You know I will now buy about the big one.
The big one. I'll try. Aw, it's so
Almost.
heavy.
No, almost. That's almost. Almost.
Ito na.
You eat that big, yeah.
Yeah.
About
No, don't kick that. That's too big.
that's You're going to the mountain.
Come on. Come here. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
No good morning.
Why?
Is that so dear?
Toink.
I did that. Wait. You go that it, ma.
So, luto na. Luto ng init na tubig.
Magluluto ng tubig.
Magluluto ng tubig. We have bread, cup noodles. Tapos meron sila dito biniling Hungarian. Hungarian sausage. Ayun o, nagsiswimming.
Tata!
Yes.
Daw kayo ni Mami.
Rain.
I got wait.
Got my Milo and my cup noodles. Chef, ano nang niluluto dyan?
Naglalaga tayo ng ano.
Naglalaga tayo ng sausage.
Naglalaga.
Ito yung mga ano natin na.
Napakahirap kaya nito.
Apakahirap niyan eh, no? Got our fan here. Of course, ang ating tirang pizza.
Bread. Look at bread. You dance also.
What did that eat?
No, harap naman yan.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Art niya.
Yung mga nagpapabayad sa ano.
Drone shot. Drone shot.
Mamahulog mo yan. Yung mga nag-ano.
Ready. In 3,
3,
2, 1, go! Wow! Wow! La! Pack up na. Natanggal na yung mga ano. Nakalimutan na kasi umambon. Kaya madali na rin kami mag-pack up.
Yeah.
Wala pa nang pasalubong yan. Kasi yung exit. Doon dito. Tama? Sa signal na boy.
Meron na? O pumasok yung video.
Atras.
Kung kayo dun sir, pwede rin sa
Ah, sige, sige.
We're here
Dean and
at
DeLuca.
Dean and DeLuca. Strawberry, banana. Ano yung Kirin? Ano to Kirin?
I don't know. Triple chocolate.
Triple chocolate. So we got the truffle burger, tapos carbonara,
Yeah.
and
Barbecue.
Kansas barbecue burger. Let's eat.